I think my favorite piece right now, and maybe will be for a long time, is a piece I just wrote for the Missouri State University Chorale and the University of Pretoria Tuks Camerata for their the Cardinal and the roller, and it's for their recording project that they did. So I got to hear them perform it together when the Tuks Camerata was here in the States. And it's a story about these two birds, the cardinal, which we have here, and the roller, which is a very common bird in South Africa, but like the most beautiful bird you've ever seen. So it's really about these birds, but it's really about people.
Cameron and Michael.
Okay, yes, yes, Cameron and Michael. Yeah.
It's really about Cameron and Michael.
Exactly. It's all about them. But it is about the people. It's about how there's something that's so ordinary that we each see, but that when the other person from their different perspective sees it, it's extraordinary. And it's about how these two birds can come together and make something beautiful together.